Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make Lahori Chargha. This chicken dish is best served piping hot with a generous sprinkling of Chaat Masala and lemon juice. These are the ingredients for the Lahori Chargha. Please note the Kashmiri Chilli Powder is not spicy, it is added to give the dish a nice color. Now let's prepare the chicken. So wash the chicken thoroughly, then make deep slashes along the length and the legs. Pat dry with a paper towel and get it ready for marination. We're now about to prepare the spice mix, so add the yogurt, egg, garlic and ginger to a mixing bowl. Then add in the listed dry ingredients to the same mixing bowl. That's the Cumin seed powder, turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, Kashmiri Chilli Powder, Garam Masala powder, Carrom Seeds, also known as ajwain, black pepper powder, Chaat Masala and Chilli Flakes. Note, you can adjust the black pepper powder and Chilli Flakes to your taste. Finally, add in the corn flour, salt, chili sauce, oil and lemon juice and mix well. We're now moving on to marinate the chicken. So pour the spice mixture all over the chicken. Coat the chicken well, taking care to rub the spice mix into the deep cuts, sides and the cavity of the chicken as well. Then cover with cling film and place in the fridge to marinate overnight. Please note, the longer you marinate, the better the chicken will taste. Let's now steam the chicken. So add a little water to a cooking pot, then place a rack into it and place foil over the rack. Place the marinated chicken that we refrigerated overnight into the cooking pot. Now cover and cook on high heat for 5 minutes. Then simmer for a further 30 to 40 minutes. The steaming time will depend on the size of the chicken. Simmer for longer if the chicken is bigger in size. Then remove and set aside for 5 to 10 minutes. We're now moving on to the frying stage. So add oil to a large cooking pot. Handle the chicken carefully now as it is tender. Then slowly and carefully lower the chicken into the hot oil. And be very careful as the oil could splatter, splash. Fry on one side, then carefully turn it over. Cook until golden brown for approximately 6 to 10 minutes. Plate the chicken on a bed of salad and sautéed vegetables, and sprinkle generously with chaat masala and lemon juice. Serve hot with lemon slices and sauces and dips. And there you have it, a mouth-watering Lahori Chargha. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.